everything you need tonight. Babe, you got me twisted. Thinking about the way that things used to be. When it was you and me, girl, I was so free. See, you had my heart from the start, like Cupid, and I was just sounding foolish and stupid. But now I know the reason for the pain and the headaches. You left me all alone.
Ina mo, pinagawak mo ako na yan.
I guess I'll wait for the day until you come back.
Mamagay ko kasi
Because my heart is where the look is at. You got me twisted.
Okay,
Ox lang.
You know you want.
Magaling naman, magaling.
Actually, may tali. Siguro nasa tali mo na kasi.
Girl, you got me twisted, baby.
Kanya-kanya naman kasi tayo.
I got everything you need tonight.
Pero alam mo yung kantang yan, pero ngayon ko lang
Ano na? Ano yan? Ganyan yan. Basta
I can make
Kaya nga sa ito pamilyar sa akin.
Kaya sa yung form niya kasi kala mo pang American.
R&B yan eh.
me twisted,
Pang American boy. Kasi
Ah.
ganyan lang talaga yung
I got everything
Baka pag
you
nakita
need
mo
tonight.
dating naniligo ako rito, yung forma ko. Dati, ano ako,
Alright,
kaya
oh.
diehard ako hip-hop.
Ay, maraming salamat. Ayun naman,
Pumunta nga ako
Ay,
rito sa...
meron din ako yan. May nakataon na
Tignan mo naman, ang pinupuntahan ko ng lugar, Santa Mesa. Alam mo, marami yung loko. Pero yung forma ko dyan, nakabonet ako. Sabi kasi, naka-low waist ako.
Our next contender from San Juan City